Hi guys, hey, I'm Barbara D. I'm out here at Guaranty. I'm going to show you a Heartland Mallard today. This is a nice unit. It's a great family trailer and it's got a lot of features. So we're going to start right here. It's got a gel cap front. This is an ultralight. So what they mean by an ultralight is that you're looking at an aluminum caged TIG welded frame instead of wood. Nice diamond plate Brock guard. Comes with 2 batteries. It's got some super storage space on each side. You're going to see quite a bit of stuff in here because this fellow's bought a max air vent for this. He's bought an extra cord. This is a used unit. He even left the head and bars. That's about a $500 savings. When you look in here, you're going to see that these are the buttons for the stabilizers. So at a touch of a button, you can stabilize the travel trailer. This seam comes off to the side, which is nice. Got a great big side here. So then you want to come on in this way. How about that for a pantry? Holy moly. And a little place to kick off your shoes right here, or sit down, hang up your coat, something like this, or hang a little bag. This is my little advertising bag. It's actually a gift that I give my families when they buy an RV. So what's nice about this is you have the horseshoe dinette. This is all one big slide. And then you've got this nice little sofa down here that folds out into a trifold, which is fantastic. So now you've got sleeping here. This is also a very comfortable little spot to park your little rear end. And if I have the cameraman come over here and sit with me a minute, then you can see what I'm looking at, and that is this terrific entertainment center. You've got the stereo on one side, the TV goes in the center, it's got a little backlight in there. This is all geared up for the satellite, for every type of entertainment you can imagine. Also, it's got an onboard vacuum cleaner. And all of this storage space, I mean, look, it's just unreal. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of storage here. So if you can imagine yourself kicking it back here, watching some TV while someone's cooking the meals, got all this pantry going on, plenty of big bunks for the beds. You know what I notice about this trailer that I don't see in other trailers, or trailers that aren't the same quality, is that they will not provide a ladder. I have people ask me that, does the bunk beds come with a ladder? And quite often they don't. But Heartland, being the kind of manufacturer it is, they've provided you one that's stable and secure. So these are pretty nice. They've got their own lighting up here on each side. They both have windows. The kids have got a ditty bag where they can kick their stuff underneath there and get it out of the way. Got a plug in to charge the phones. And then it's got a pass-through bathroom. So you've got this nice bathroom here. Oops, I don't think I'm going to go out that way. You've got a really nice bathroom here. It's I don't know, this shower doesn't look like it's even had anyone in it. So a lot of times people will buy an RV, they don't, they want a really big one, and that's great, but you need to be able to have enough family to put in it. So we can go out and take a peek at a couple of other things. I love this entertainment center, that's fantastic. It's got a great big refrigerator. This is a Dometic, nice stove, oven, microwave, big cabinets, solid wood, nice little Spradius. So many people are looking for that doggone outside kitchen, and it is handy to have. And without a fail, we've got one here too. So you've got the pull-out grill. You've got the nice hot and cold water. You can put a television back there. It's got this little refrigerator. This trailer has a lot of neat stuff. And when we looked at that front compartment, you know, I didn't rehearse this. I just came out to talk to you one-on-one. So when I looked in that front compartment, it's got a lot of extras that go along with it, like the weight distribution hitch and some other things. So my name is Barbara D at Guaranty. My phone number is 541-521-4232. Please give me a call. Let me just tell me that you're seeing me on the video when I was doing the Heartland Mallard. Thanks so much, folks. I appreciate it. 541-521-4232, and that's me, Barbara D at Guaranty.